Few developments in modern military aviation have captured global attention like China's Shi and Y20 Kunpeng aircraft. Once underestimated, this enormous military cargo plane has become a symbol of China's growing technological prowess and aerospace ambition. From its engineering innovations to its expanding global role, the Y20 is rewriting the expectations for what China can achieve in high-tech aviation, and the world is watching closely. Redefining scale and function in aviation. In aviation, size is more than just visual impact. It determines how much weight an aircraft can carry, how far it can travel, and how efficiently it can perform essential operations. Building such behemoths is an immense technical challenge, requiring cutting-edge aerodynamics, materials science, and systems integration. Historically, only a few nations have mastered the art of constructing massive military transport planes. Now, with the Y20, China has decisively joined that elite club. At 47 meters, 154 feet, in length, with a wingspan of 50 meters, 164 feet, the Y20 is China's largest domestically built military aircraft. It boasts a maximum takeoff weight of 220,000 kilograms, approximately 486,000 pounds, and can haul up to 66 metric tons of cargo, roughly the equivalent of over 50 compact cars. Whether transporting troops, tanks, or vital supplies, the Y20 is a logistical powerhouse capable of executing missions across vast distances. A leap in indigenous engineering capability. Developed by the Shein Aircraft Industrial Corporation, the Y20, nicknamed Chappie Girl for its wide-body design, first took flight in 2013. Its successful debut marked not only a milestone for China's defense sector, but also an impressive feat of innovation. Engineers embraced state-of-the-art technology, including three-dimensional printing and digital model-based design, to streamline production. Remarkably, the Y20 became only the third aircraft worldwide after the Airbus A380 and Boeing 787 to use full digital modeling during development. This advanced approach significantly accelerated production timelines. Wing installation, a process that traditionally spans 2 months, was reduced to mere hours using MBT. Design time dropped by 40%, and the preparation period for manufacturing was slashed by 75%. One crucial structural test, originally projected to last nearly a year, was completed in just 194 days, a testament to the project's efficiency. The engine evolution. In its early stages, the Y20 relied on 4 Russian Soloviev D30 KP2 engines, each delivering 12 tons of thrust. While reliable, these engines limited the aircraft's range and fuel efficiency. Recognizing the strategic importance of self-reliance, China began developing its own power plants. The first step was the WS-18 engine, a lighter and slightly more powerful version based on the D30, which improved fuel economy and added a marginal performance boost. However, the real breakthrough came with the WS-20 engine. Derived from the core of China's WS-10 fighter jet engine, the WS-20 offered 14 tons of thrust per engine. This enhancement not only increased the Y-20's cargo capacity, but also eliminated dependence on foreign suppliers. After successful flight testing in 2020, the upgraded I-20B, powered entirely by WS-20 engines, entered service in 2023. With this, China firmly established its ability to independently manufacture advanced military propulsion systems. Virtual reality and composite mastery. The Y20 development team pushed boundaries beyond engines and design processes. They incorporated virtual reality into both the design and testing phases. Engineers and pilots used specialized VR gear to simulate interactions with cockpit systems and internal components, identifying issues before physical assembly. This approach significantly cut costs and minimized construction errors. Moreover, the Y20 is constructed with cutting-edge composite materials developed entirely within China. From fire-retardant panels to high-durability structural components, these domestically produced materials meet international aerospace safety standards and further underscore China's maturing industrial ecosystem. Affordable yet competitive. Despite its impressive capabilities, the Y20 is remarkably cost-effective. Its estimated price in 2013 was approximately $160 million, less than half the cost of the U.S. Air Force's C-17 Globemaster III, which came in at around $340 million in 2022. This cost advantage enhances China's competitiveness in the global military aviation market and makes the Y-20 a viable export product for allied nations. The Y-20's dual role, while designed as a military workhorse, the Y-20 has proven invaluable in civilian operations. During the COVID-19 outbreak in February 2020, the aircraft joined a fleet tasked with transporting 2,600 medical personnel to Wuhan. It was the first time the Y-20 was used for humanitarian efforts, and it set the stage for future non-combat missions. In June 2021, Y-20s were seen patrolling the South China Sea, a move that drew international attention, especially from Malaysia and Japan. But the aircraft's versatility was further demonstrated in January 2022, when it flew over 10,000 kilometers from China to Tonga to deliver 33 tons of disaster relief after a volcanic eruption and tsunami. These missions reinforced the Y-20's adaptability and China's growing soft power through humanitarian outreach. Tankers, radars, and more. Recognizing the strategic advantage of aerial refueling, China developed the Y20, a tanker variant of the Y20. These tankers play a critical role in extending the range of fighter jets, including the Chengdu J-20 stealth fighter, by allowing mid-air refueling. Videos released in late 2022 confirmed operational use of the Y20 in real-world exercises. China has also been working on an airborne early warning version called the KJ-3000. This variant, spotted undergoing flight tests in late 2024, is expected to significantly enhance China's aerial surveillance and command capabilities, further extending the Y-20's role beyond mere transportation. From prototype to global player, China delivered its first production Y-20 to the People's Liberation Army Air Force in July 2016, with the second aircraft quickly assigned to a Shanghai-based transport division. By 2018, the Y-20 had successfully completed joint airdrop exercises, highlighting its readiness for frontline deployment. Over the years, the aircraft has participated in a variety of global missions, including transporting missile systems to Serbia and delivering humanitarian aid to Afghanistan after a devastating earthquake in 2022. These developments showcase the Y-20's evolution from a domestically focused project to a global asset, supporting both military and civil objectives. Its expanding operational footprint signals China's intent to use air power not only for national defense, but also as a tool of diplomacy and disaster relief. Cyber espionage accusations. The story of the Y-20 also has a controversial dimension. In 2016, Chinese national Su Bin admitted in a U.S. federal court to participating in a cyber espionage operation that targeted classified U.S. military aviation programs. According to court records, Su helped Chinese intelligence agencies access sensitive documents related to the Boeing C-17, as well as the F-22 and F-35 fighter jets. Su translated the stolen documents and forwarded them to the Chinese military, specifically the division overseeing project and now widely believed to be the Y-20 program. While the true extent of the espionage's impact is unclear, the case illustrates how cyber operations can accelerate technological progress. Su was sentenced to nearly 4 years in prison and fined $10,000, though he was released in 2017. A rival to the C-17 Globemaster III. In many ways, the Y-20 is China's answer to the U.S. Air Force's C-17 Globemaster III. The C-17 is slightly larger, measuring 53 meters long with a wingspan of 52 meters, and can carry a heavier maximum payload of 77,000 kilograms. It also features more powerful engines, each producing over 40,000 pounds of thrust. However, the Y-20 holds its own. While slightly lighter, it is more cost-effective and incorporates several modern production techniques that the aging C-17 does not. The Y-20's range, speed, and cargo flexibility make it a formidable alternative, particularly in regions where the U.S. has limited influence or where cost is a key concern. China's global aerospace ambition. The Y-20's emergence marks a turning point in global military aviation. China is no longer simply playing catch-up. It is beginning to lead in key areas of aerospace development. With domestically made engines, digital manufacturing processes, and advanced composite materials, the Y20 showcases what China can accomplish when it integrates technology, strategy, and industrial coordination. Its success sends a strong message to other global powers. China is serious about becoming a dominant force in the skies. The Y20 is more than a transport plane. It is a flying representation of China's broader geopolitical aspirations and technological evolution. If you enjoyed this deep dive into China's Y20 aircraft, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the latest in global aviation and defense tech. Got thoughts or questions? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.